Hey everyone, so bit of a different start today. I am in Miami in one of the Sandspur Islands, doing a beach cleanup with like a local charity. We took kayaks here, so didn't really record that because I don't want to drop my phone in the water, but let's go see what they have to say and clean some stuff up. So this is the list of stuff that is typically found out here when they're doing cleanups. So we just mark off what we find as we go.
So the way we found it works easier. Of course, you can do what you want, but so teams of three tends to work well. We have someone carrying a bag, someone picking up trash, and someone jotting down what we're getting. And I know it might sound tedious to jot down what we get, but DEP uses that info to determine what's the most abundant trash that they're finding. So it is valuable. And we found between the smartphone and the paper is a little quicker because you don't have to scroll to find your thing. It's all on one side of one sheet. And things like cigarette butts, which are pretty abundant, you can put one tick mark maybe for every 5 or every 10 and just make a note on your clipboard, on your paper, that's what you did, you know, to make it easier. But other than that, we try to make it pretty straightforward. The form of pieces of plastic is very generic. Anything plastic, just jot down. So anyway, if you guys want to come up, try to figure out who's going to be your team of 3, and then I'll give whoever's going to be your note taker, I'll give them the clipboard with the pencil and the form. So if you guys want to figure that out now. And again, if you want to do team of 2, that's fine too. Just let me know what you guys want to do, all right?
And all this other stuff too.
We're moving in the direction toward.
And we found a whole grill. And after an hour, this is everything. It might not look like a lot, but each little tick represents 5. So do the math, I guess, but it's a lot of stuff. All right, so back on dry land, have a beer, but just thought it would take a second just to kind of show you guys what we were kayaking through. I couldn't really show you while we were in the boat because I didn't want to get this wet and not be able to do this anymore, so here it is. We went through that little pathway there and it took like 15-20 minutes. Saw some dolphins and some manatees. That was cool. Wish I could have showed you that, but you know, I'm not gonna risk the phone for a quick shot. But now we just stopped at this little bar, get something to eat, and I'm not sure what we're doing next. We'll see. Okay, so kind of lost track of the rest of the day after the trip to that bar. Came home, just kind of hung out for the rest of the day there. Now I'm just in the backyard. Got another beer. I think I'm just gonna wrap it up here. So guess have a good rest of your weekend, and we'll see you guys in the next one.